plug in a 2 and we want to check it from the right. 2 minus 2 is 0. No. So the limit as x goes to 2 of f of x from the left, here, from the left, as x goes to 2, your limit is 0. From the right, as x goes to 2, that's this one here, your limit is 0. Since the limits are the same, that means that the limit is 0. Right? The limit is 0. So I'm going to state the third statement from the front page, this third guy right here. I'm going to state him, and I'm going to say that f of 2 is equal to the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x. The function is equal to the limit. Therefore, it is a continuous function. It is a continuous function. Alright? The only time you would really ever have a problem with this is if you had 3 piecewise functions. Well, really even 2 piecewise. No, it'd have to be 3. Yeah. 3 piecewise functions or 3 restrictions. Let me just draw you an example of what that would look like. Let's say I'm going to do this right here. I'm going to use the same equations from up here, but I'm going to add in a stipulation that throws my x up here. So this is kind of like f of x would be, 2 minus x for x is less than 2. And I'm going to add a stipulation here. Let's call this 2. Why not? No, let's call it 3. Let's throw something different in there. It'll be 3 when x is equal to 2, and it will be the square root of x minus 2 when x is greater than 2. No equal 2 down here. So this is like a line on the left, a square root function on the right, and a dot here. Now the limit on this one exists. The limit as x goes to 2, 1, 2, from the left is 0. The limit from the right is 0. So the limit on this one, the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is 0. But the function at 2 is 3. So both of these exist, but you see here they're not the same. Therefore, discontinuous. I wanted y'all to have one example like that. I'm sorry that was kind of slapshot. I just made that up off the top of my head. But we just throw one more thing in there. There's an example of something where the limit exists. The function exists, but they're 2 different things. I wanted y'all to have one of those examples on here, okay? Because so far we haven't had one, so I wanted y'all to have one of those, all right? And kind of put this. Yo.